Okay, so let's say I want to make a histogram of this information right here. I want to be a little careful there. I don't need this county information at the end, so maybe I'm just going to select there up there. And I'm going to insert a chart. Now look for a histogram here because I do have quantitative variable. This is not a histogram here. This is a bar chart, column chart they call it here. So I'm going to scroll down to histogram, and I may want to customize that a little bit, such as put in a title, so percent poverty by Virginia County, and then I might also want to label my axes here. So this would be percent, or maybe percent of people living in poverty, and vertical x, number of counties. Okay, and the other thing, this really isn't helping me too much, so I might take out that legend. And there we go, percent of people living in poverty.